Happy morning, children. We will solve practice at 7.3 first question. For class interval 20 to 25, write the lower class limit and the upper class limit. Now, class interval, or can use the word only class. So here the class is given 20 to 25. So the lower class limit is 20 and the upper class limit is 25. So we will write here lower class limit is 20. Upper class limit 25. What are these values? They are the end values of any class. The smallest score will be the lower. The word lower is given, lower class limit. And the biggest score will be the upper class limit. This is the way we have to write. Now the second question given is find the class mark of the class 35 to 40. See here, class interval 20 to 25. Now what word they have used? Find the class mark of the class 35 to 40. So you have been given class 35 to 40. You have to find class mark. Now what is the class mark? We have discussed the concept of class mark earlier. It is the average of the lower class limit, average of the lower class limit and the upper class limit for a given class is known as class mark. So what's the formula to find class mark? Lower class limit plus upper class limit upon 2. So here I have written find class mark. Class mark is equal to formula. Now here 35 is the lower class limit and 40 is the upper class limit. You have to write divide by 2, which is equal to 75 upon 2. Now you should do the division by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14.5. So your class mark is 37.5. Now the next question is question number 3. Here for question number 3 you have been given if class mark is 10, class mark is given, and class width is 6, find the class. Means find the class means what you will have to find? You will have to find both. For a class, the end values just now I told you all is lower class limit and upper class limit. So to find the class, you should know lower class limit and upper class limit. This example we will do by using two variables. We have studied linear equation in two variables. So we will use the variables and we will say that let the lower class limit be x, let the upper class limit be y, and that way we will solve third question. So first thing is we will write what is given. So for the third question given, I have written here class mark is 10, class width is 6, and you have to find the class. So let the lower class limit of the class be x and let the upper class limit of the class be y. Now class mark is given to you 10. So according to formula, class mark is lower class limit. What is the lower class limit I have taken? X. So I will write here x plus upper class limit is y upon 2. In our second example only we had written class mark and I explained you all again the meaning of class mark, average of lower class limit and upper class limit. So we have got this. So what is class mark given? 10. Cross multiply. You will get 2 into 10 is equal to x plus y. That is 20 is equal to x plus y. So you can take it to LHS. Signs will change. Here no sign means plus. So you will get minus x minus y. This 20 you take it to RHS. It will become minus 20. Now what you will do? Changing the signs of both the sides. You will get x plus y is equal to 20. This is our first equation. Now the second part is class width is given to you as 6. So let us see what is the class width, which we have discussed the meaning of class width. But for related again just we will revise the meaning given in the textbook. So it's given when continuous classes are given, the difference between upper class limit and lower class limit is known as class width. And say here they have given the example class width. Now 5 to 10 is one class and 5 to 10, the difference between upper class limit. So 10 is the upper class limit, 5 is the lower class limit. So 10 minus 5 is 5. So if I want to write here, I have taken upper class limit and lower class limit. My lower class limit is x and upper class limit is y. So class width formula I will have to write. What is class width is equal to? So here class width is equal to upper class. You can take this as a formula to find the class width, upper class limit minus lower class limit. So I have taken upper class limit as y and lower class limit is x. So I'll get y minus x. Class width I have got it as 6. So I will write here 6. So now what I will do here, no sign means plus. I will take these terms to LHS. So minus x will become plus x. Plus y will become minus y. And plus 6 it is to LHS. I will take it to RHS. It will become minus 6. So this is my second equation. Now I will find the values of both the variables x and y so that I get lower class limit and upper class limit. From that I can write x. So my first equation is x plus y is 20. So I will just write it down here. X plus y is equal to 20 is my first equation. And second equation is x minus y is equal to minus 6. So you can very well see I will do addition of equation 1 and equation 2. I will get my answers. So we have repeatedly done in linear equation in two variables. Here plus 1y, here minus 1y. So you have equal and opposite coefficient plus 1 and minus 1. So plus x is 2x, plus y minus y is 0. 20 minus 6 is 14. So x is equal to 14 upon 2. X is equal to 7. Put x is equal to 7 in equation 1. What is the equation? 1 is x plus y is equal to 20. So we will put, instead of x we have to put 20. This is our first equation. So we will take 7 plus y is equal to 20. So y is equal to 20 minus 7. Y is equal to 13. So our lower class limit is equal to x. We got it as 7. And upper class limit is equal to y is equal to 13. So the class will be, what is class? Lower class limit is 7, upper class limit is 13. So our class is 7 to 13. This is what we had to find.